Hello students, welcome back. Today in this video we will discuss about the sums based on nature of roots. So let's students, in the previous video we have discussed how to find out the nature of root. Now we will solve the sums based on that. Now we have to find what is the nature of roots of this equation. So first, it is in standard form. So your A is 1, B minus 4, C 1. First find out the discriminant. B square minus 4AC. Your B is minus 4. A is 1. C is also 1. This will be 16. This is 4. 12. It is positive. So your B square minus 4AC is greater than 0. Therefore, equation has real and unequal roots. Let's solve this sum. First, you multiply all the terms with 3. So, this 3 will get cancelled. It is 9x square minus 6x plus 1 equals to 0. Now your A is 9, B is minus 6, C is 1. Now find out B square minus 4AC. Minus 6 square minus 4 into 9 into 1. This is 36. This also 36 equals to 0. Since B square minus 4AC is equals to 0, so equation has real and equal roots. Now students, multiply every term with 2. Multiply it with 2. Here it will get cancelled. So your equation is 2x square minus x plus 8 equals to 0. So your A is 2, B is minus 1, C is 8. Find out B square minus 4AC. Minus 1 square, 4 into 2 into 8. This is 1. This is 4 2s are 8, 8 8s are 64, minus 63. Since B square minus 4AC is negative, means less than 0, equation has no real roots. Students, just listen. Find the value or values of k if quadratic equation has real and equal roots. And you know that if the roots are real and equal, our discriminant is 0. So first find out A. Your A is k, B is minus 4, C is minus 5. Since equation has real and equal roots, therefore B square minus 4AC is equals to 0. Now substitute the value. B is minus 4, A is k, and C is minus 5. This will be 16 minus minus plus 4 5s are 20. 20k equals to 0. So your 20k will be equals to minus 16. So k will be minus 16 upon 20. 4 4s are, 4 5s are. So your value of k is minus 4 upon 5. Now just look here. Your A in this equation is 1. Your B is k minus 1 and C is k. Since again you have to write equation has real and equal roots, Therefore, b square minus 4ac is equals to 0. Now substitute the value. Now a minus b the whole square formula you have to apply. So k square minus 6k plus 9 minus 4k equals to 0. Again you will get a quadratic equation, minus 6k minus 4k minus 10k plus 9 equals to 0. Now we got this equation. Now solve it by factorization. You can solve by formula also. So you will get two brackets, one as k minus 9 and one as k minus 1. So either your k minus 9 is 0 or k minus 1 is 0. So your k will have two values, 9 and 1. Now see, in this equation, a is 2, b is 3, c is k. Now b square minus 4ac. It is 3 square minus 4 into 2 into k. It will be 9 minus 8k. Okay. Since equation has real roots, so either your b square minus 4ac is positive or 0. So it is greater than or equal to 0. I got 9 minus 8k greater than or equal to 0. So your 9 is greater than or equal to 8k. So 9 by 8. So your k is less than or equal to 9 by 8. Now form quadratic equation if roots are. This part Icse students won't have in their syllabus. Remaining boards they have. Now roots we considered as alpha and beta. So here alpha is 0, beta is 4. General form of equation, that is your x square minus alpha plus beta plus alpha into beta equals to 0. Now substitute the values of alpha and beta. 0 plus 4, 0 into 4. It will be minus 4x plus 0. So your quadratic equation is this. Same way we will solve this. Here alpha is 3, beta is minus 10. Your general equation is x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha beta equals to 0. Now 3 plus minus 10, 3 into minus 10 equals to 0. So x square minus 7x plus minus minus. So here x square plus 7x minus 30 equals to 0. So if you know the roots, this way you can form the quadratic equation. Now students, in this a is 1, b is minus 4, c is 21. Then sum of your roots alpha plus beta is minus b by a. Minus of formula, b itself is negative upon 1. So that will be 4. Now product of the roots alpha into beta is given by c by a. Our c is 21, a is 1. So if you know the equation, find out ABC, then sum of the roots, that is alpha plus beta, you can easily calculate. Product of the roots alpha into beta also you can calculate. Now see, sum of the roots of quadratic equation is double their product. It means alpha plus beta is twice of alpha into beta. Find k if equation is. So first of all, in the equation, our a is 1, b is minus 4k, c is k plus 3. First find out alpha plus beta. You know it is minus b by a minus 4k upon 1. So it is 4k. Now alpha into beta is c by a, k plus 3 upon 1. That will be k plus 3. Since sum of roots is twice their product. Now substitute the values. Alpha plus beta is 4k. 2 as it is. This is k plus 3. So 4k equals to 2k plus 6. Transfer k this side. So your 2k is 6. So your k will be 6 by 2. That will be equals to 3. Now alpha beta are roots of the equation. Find alpha square plus beta square, alpha cube plus beta cube. Now in the equation, your a is 1, b is minus 2, c is minus 7. First find out alpha plus beta. It is minus b by a minus 2 minus of formula upon 1. So it is 2. Alpha into beta is c by a. Your c is minus 7 upon 1. So it is minus 7. Now we will find out first one. You know alpha plus beta the whole square is alpha square plus 2 alpha beta plus beta square. Now substitute the value. It is 2 square. Alpha square we don't know. Alpha beta is minus 7. 2 square is 4. Alpha square minus 14 plus beta square. Transfer 14 this side. So you will get value of alpha square plus beta square as 18. Let's solve the second part. Alpha cube plus beta cube. You know the formula of whole cube. Alpha plus beta the whole cube is, remember in this form, alpha cube plus beta cube plus 3 alpha beta, alpha plus beta. Now substitute the values. It is 2 cube, alpha cube plus beta cube as it is. Instead of alpha beta put minus 7. Instead of alpha plus beta 2. It is 8 alpha cube plus beta cube. This will be minus 3 7s are 21, 21 2s are 42. So 8 plus 42 is alpha cube plus beta cube. Therefore, alpha cube plus beta cube is 50. Students, thanks for watching this video. Now in the upcoming video, we will discuss the statement sums based on quadratic equation. If you really like this video, share and